Hello, this video is specifically for all of those freelance writers and aspiring writers out there who are thinking about a way to sort of supercharge their commitment to their writing practice. One of the things that I found was instrumental for me in deciding to move forward with writing a nonfiction book, creating a book proposal, pitching agents, moving towards the process of publication was attending a live writers conference. Now there's lots of great writers conferences out there. There's lots of great conferences for freelancers. So for freelancers, I know about the Freelance conference in Austin. The Editorial Freelancers Association has a conference in Chicago this year. I know they do a conference every year. Writer's Digest does a big August conference. They do a novel writing conference in the Pacific Northwest in the fall. And you might also have local chapters of your genre that meet in your state or in your region. So for example, Romance Writers of America is an organization that has state chapters and then local chapters where people meet up and do trainings and all kinds of cool stuff like that. I've been attending the Midwest Writers Workshop in Indiana for 3 years. The first 2 years I was an attendee, and this year I was on the faculty. It's a great place to go and not just learn about the craft of writing or how to jump into different types of writing, but to really be inspired and motivated by other people who are at the conference. When I went in 2017, I had no idea what I was doing. I attended workshops on many different types of writing: memoir, business nonfiction, fiction, middle grade, mystery. They've really got a great variety at a lot of these conferences that you can choose from. They also will have sort of tracks for like beginners who are just getting started, maybe looking to add a writing practice into their daily habits, and then more advanced tracks for those authors who are published and maybe trying to break into public speaking or, going for that second book deal or whatever is next for them. So going to a writer's conference is really motivational. I went in 2017 with no expectations. I pitched a literary agent a fiction middle grade book. She hated it. The experience was terrifying and also great because I left the conference with really clear action steps on what I was going to do next. And that enabled me that fall to start working on creating a book proposal that ultimately went with an agent and ultimately led to a finished book that was just published in summer 2019. Now, a huge reason that this actually happened is because I went to that conference and I pushed myself out of my comfort zone. I asked questions, I attended different sessions, I approached the presenters afterwards, and I was really inspired by everyone else who attended these conferences. So if you're feeling a lull in your writing career, or if you're like me and you're a freelance writer and you're kind of looking for something new and different to do, going to a writer's conference can be really amazing to get a great perspective on industry-wide issues such as traditional publishing versus self-publishing, to learn about the craft of writing in your specific genre or specific projects that you want to take on, and just to interact with other people who are also passionate about the practice of writing. So if you've been feeling stalled out for a while, check out writers' conferences in your area or check out one of the ones that I have named in this video. I will also be attending the Editorial Freelancers Association in August, so I will kind of do perhaps a recap post of what I took away from that as well. But thanks for tuning in.